Welcome to DIY with CTM. My name is Solomon and today I'm going to be showing you how to install your vinyl flooring like a pro. You'll find everything you need from CTM. Let's get started. So, before we get started, the first thing you're always going to want to do is consult your installation instructions found inside your box to ensure the correct installation. First step is to ensure that our flooring that we've got nicely here is nice and level. And for that, we're going to use a spirit level. Now, if your flooring is not level, then what you're going to want to do is utilize your bag of Pro Grip self-leveling screed to ensure a screeded level flooring. Now that we've started mixing our self-leveling screed, we're going to wait approximately 15 minutes for all the bubbles to actually pop, releasing the air from the screed itself. Now that our self-leveling screed is nice and ready, we've got the correct consistency. The next step is going to involve us pouring the self-leveling screed directly onto the flooring, using our steel trowel to actually ensure that it's applied everywhere. And we're also going to use our spike roller and spike shoes to ensure any further air bubbles actually continue to pop out. Now that we've done our screeding, once it's nice and dry, always ensure to keep your boards in that room for at least 48 hours so they can get used to the temperature changes in the room. Ensure to keep your boards in the middle of the room, at least 1 meter away from the sides and any walls. So the first thing we're going to do is lay out our moisture barrier on the floor to ensure for any ground floor application you got that extra layer of protection against moisture. Now it's time to lay our vinyls. Now before you lay your vinyl flooring, always ensure to refer to your installation guide in order to know the exact correct way to install your vinyl. We're going to be using the row by row method, so let's take a closer look at how to go about it. Now with our specific click-in installation, our vinyl showcases that it has two sides, the tongue side and the groove side. This is going to help us in terms of figuring out how to install our vinyl flooring. And the tongue side, a key thing to note is that it always goes against your wall. Perfect. So now it's time to lay the first board. Always make sure that you use your spacers to leave the recommended spacing gap all around all your walls. Now that we've laid our first board, we want to make sure that the next board is cut correctly. Now you start to measure the length that you still need to finish off your space, ensuring to leave enough of a gap for your recommended spacing. Always ensure that when you cut your board, you don't go smaller than 400 millimeters. To cut your vinyl flooring, simply use an ordinary Stanley knife to score your flooring. Make sure that it's nice and deep. Then once done, you simply snap it apart where you scored it. And there you go, nice and ready. Once you've got your cut piece, you simply angle it where the tongue goes over the groove and ensure that your vinyl is nice and straight and simply drop it in place. Always ensure to add your spacer after the clicking of that vinyl to ensure you retain the recommended spacing. So now we've installed our first row. For the next row, all we need to do is get the cut out piece of the second row and start with that and join it with the long piece. Always ensure to keep your spacing in line and correct. And what we're going to do is we're going to place the first board on top of the previous row, but do not click it in yet. Clicking the two boards together, the current offcut as well as the full board. And then once we've got the full row, we simply lift the second row and join it into the first. To ensure a seamless installation. And there you have it. Simply continue on with the same process until your whole flooring is complete with your stunning new vinyl flooring. And now for the finishing touch, the skirting. Here's what you'll need to install your skirting. First, you'll need your Pro Max trendy skirting, a caulking gun, as well as your Pro Nails mounting adhesive. First, we ensure we measure the length of your skirting against your vinyl flooring, so we cut the correct length. Now we're going to turn our skirting upside down. Notice how it offers these ridges and grooves for you to be able to run any cords or wires at the back of this. We're going to install our Pro Nails mounting adhesive directly onto where you've got these ridges protruded all the way through. Ensure to keep these grooves nice and clean of any glue and residue for any wires that you might have running down here. Next, we simply mount our skirting directly on the wall for a seamless professional look. So there you have it, from DIY to DI done. Everything you need available at CTM. So shop our extensive range of flooring options by calling or sending a WhatsApp to 010-003-9987 or visit ctm.co.za to start your flooring project with confidence.